Hey, today we are going to take delivery of the new engine for the Tahoe. As some of y'all may know, the engine that's in it currently is going bad. Basically, it's developing rod knock. So before it gets really bad, I'm going to swap it out so I can hopefully salvage this engine and rebuild it. It's going to be a domino effect with this engine, so it needs a full rebuild. And for those of y'all who are following the channel and wondering where the heck am I, we're moving to Austin. We're not in Austin yet. We are staying at Tara's parents' house for about a month or two before we move to Austin. So the best time to do my first engine swap is definitely in the driveway of their house. Let's go ahead and place a tarp underneath the Tahoe so we can hopefully keep this nice white driveway nice and white. Start assembling some tools. There's a hoist, there's an engine stand, and there's some other stuff too. Now let's assemble the hoist. I'm sure some of y'all can relate, but it feels like Christmas. That's not intimidating. Trying to hold this for me? You'd be a celebrity. I didn't know if it was gonna come in time, but my dirty dingo came in. I thought it was gonna come in like a week. Solid welds, and this is cheaper than the basic manifold lift plate that's selling on Amazon, yet this looks so much nicer. So while we wait for the engine to get here, it's being dropped off by freight. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the oil and the coolant. And just like that, it's raining. That's Florida for you. I guess while it's raining, and I'm pretty hot anyways, I'm just gonna put that together. Dude who tightened this bolt, once again, over tightened. I took it to a shop to do it because I was lazy, and he over tightened it. Typical. It should never, ever be that hard. That fluid looks pretty dark. Now we need to take this shield off. Since I am doing an engine swap, all the bolts are going back where they go. I don't want to lose any bolts, and there's a lot of bolts in the engine swap. The radiator is right there. And in order to get to the hose, I should remove this and this plastic piece. So that's what I'm gonna do now. 2 on each side. Surprise, I'm salvaging these. Now, this whole piece can come out. So now we have access to the bottom hose, which is what I'm gonna take out to drain the coolant. I need to remove this bolt and this bolt so the coolant doesn't go completely everywhere. Not even sure why they have this. Right here. Got it. Okay, cool. Nice. Let's drain the coolant, then we will tear into that engine. Okay. Not as bad as it could have been. See how tilted it is? I had to send it back because it broke through the first pallet. So they just put that pallet straight on top of another pallet when they could have just readjusted the whole thing if you were smart, you know? But one of the brackets are kind of bent. So I'll just have to take it from that and put it on that, and then hopefully it's good. Did I mention this is my first time ever doing this? And it has to be in like a terrible position as my first time. Great learning experience though. I'm on the GoPro now. My camera ran out of storage and SD card on my GoPro doesn't fit my camera. I know it's all a mess, just ignore it. Okay, I need to remove this so I can connect it to this guy. But let's make sure I have the right bolts. I bought them exactly for this reason. That's what I needed. 2. Low on batteries, so I'll just do this. It's gonna be kind of heavy. Yes, I'm changing this. You can tell that it was kind of leaking anyways. So a lot of people say that this needs to be in line with about this. However, I'm gonna make this lower than normal because this engine's gonna be turning upside down and I wanna be able to do it without this falling over. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna look up a video.
Your engine stand plate.
He did put it up here, which I'm okay with. That makes some sense. Trust the random guy on YouTube. That's what you should always do. That's why y'all trust me. Yep, I need to put the shorter bolts in. Okay, all these are semi-tight. Now we gotta deal with this guy. This is loose. Not as easy as I was expecting to turn. Wow. Oh, they broke this dang thing. Yeah, I'm gonna be transferring so much stuff from that engine to here. Alright guys, so that's all for today. We got a new engine, new used engine. It didn't come as clean as I wanted it to. I was going to do more of an overview on it, but it's starting to rain again, as you can see. So next video, I'm going to start tearing into that engine a little bit, or I might be tearing into that one. Not too sure. Most likely that one, so I know what the heck I have. I looked through the valve cover and looked pretty clean. I hit my head on that like 2 times already. If you like the GMT900 Tahoe, and you're also doing an engine swap of some sort, subscribe guys. I'm gonna be showing you the beginner way to do it. I've never done it before, and I'm being ambitious. Guys, hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, really means a lot. Thanks for the support, also means a lot. This is Chris at AutoMotivate. Always appreciate and respect one another. I'll see you next time.